The cat stance for the high gold belt requirements is right here. So you're in a fighting position, all right? Fighting position like this, then you draw back your foot onto the ball of your foot. So now it's a very small L. Fighting stance, very big L. Cat stance, you draw that back onto the ball of your foot. Now most of my weight is gonna be on the back leg. That way I can snap kick real fast with this front leg. Real quick. So all of your weight's back here. This is for when people at the tournament are real aggressive. They're jumping in, throwing hammer fist or doing back fist, whatever's going on, but you can get that quick point. See, I put the weight back here. Now I can just tuck. So that's what the cat stance is all about. Now when I'm in this stance, everything's equal. But when I draw this back, all my weight's on the back leg. See, look, I can lift this leg up. See that? Put it back down. That's it, guys. So that's the cat stance. Peace.